Hello everyone, I am SOUMI and welcome to my channel. Today is my fortnightly facial day. Some of you already know that I have started using 3-use kit from Nature Sessions. First one was papaya facial kit and I just loved it. Now I was thinking that which one to try next. Now gold facial is such that everyone loves to do before any special occasion or marriages to attend, etc., other than their regular facial. So I started using gold facial. I have already used once. Now today is my second day and I just love the golden glow I immediately got after the facial and thought to share with you all. This is also a 4-step facial kit, but steps are little different from each other. Let me start now. I have not washed or scrubbed my face because these things I will do in the facial. As you can see, tan is not that much because I have been using this detan facial for last 2 months. But now I am missing the healthy glow. My skin become little dry also, and it's time to get a golden glow quickly. As quickly as in 45 minutes. These are the small cute 15-gram tubes. Very handy and travel friendly. This is the detan mask. Detan mask comes with all the facial kits. This is a pre-facial step actually. We have to first detan before doing our facial. What you have to do, you have to apply a thick layer and leave on for 15 minutes. I am showing on my face only, but you do all the steps on your neck and open areas also. It's 15 minutes now. Mask has been dried completely. Now I'll massage in circular motion for 2 minutes. Now wipe it off with a damp tissue. Can you see the brightness? This mask has a power to remove tan instantly. Especially first time users can definitely notice it. Now I'll start the main facial. Step 1 is cleansing scrub. That is, cleansing and scrubbing will be done simultaneously. We have to massage for only 3 minutes. Granules are little bigger than regular size. You can feel it with your finger. Now we have to massage with cream for 15 minutes. This gold massage cream is enriched with essential oil to give your skin a soft, smooth and golden radiance. You need a little water to be mixed with it to massage properly. Cream has been absorbed properly after 15 minutes of massaging. So hope you are enjoying the video. Please keep on watching till the end because throughout the video I will be sharing some pro tips how you can get the best from a facial. And subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet, and please remember to click on the bell icon to get all notifications for upcoming videos. And after watching, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. And if you are on Instagram, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My IG handle is SOUMI.official. Please catch me there. I am active and update regularly. Now without wiping it off, I'll be applying gold gel on it. We have to massage for only 2 minutes. See, the gel looks like just liquid gold. This is how my skin is looking like after 15 minutes of cream and 2 minutes of gel massage. My skin is now fresh, looking dewy. Additionally, I can see the soft shine of gold. Now the last step, that is gold pack. Apply a thick layer all over your face. This pack is not a creamy pack, it's more like a polishing pack. I'll leave it for 10 minutes. Massage lightly with wet fingers and wipe it off. So this is the final outcome. My skin becomes softer, plumpier, and I can see a healthy golden glow. I would definitely recommend you to try this facial range. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Take care.